bond?
Ester bond. An ester bond is a type of a covalent bond that forms through a chemical reaction between a hydroxyl group OH from an alcohol and a carboxyl group COOH from an acid.
Urea cycle.
Urea cycle, also called the ornithine cycle. The urea cycle is a vital biochemical process that takes place in the liver. Its purpose is to convert toxic ammonia into a waste product of a protein metabolism